Okay, folks, exercise number 3 says add or subtract. Looking at this, raise your hand. What's the first thing that I need to do? Reagan. Change those two negatives. So tell me, how should it be written? Now, what is negative 6 plus 24? What is negative 6 plus 24? Elise?
18.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive 18. Beautiful. 6 negatives, 24 positives. I'm going to be left with 18 positives.
Is it because there's more positives?
It's because there are more positives than negatives.
But if there's more negatives?
But that's if we're multiplying,
Oh, yeah.
right? Exactly. We're not multiplying here. We're combining these two things.
So it's only for
Only if I'm multiplying do I count negatives like that. Okay? Yes, ma'am, Maggie.
I have a question.
Yes, that's why your hand is raised.
Could you review where it's like minus next to minus equals
Yes. Maggie is saying, okay, if I have negative 6 minus negative 24, okay, and I'm going to do several of these, okay, Maggie? And then we've got minus 6 minus positive 24, and then minus 6 plus negative 24, and minus 6 plus positive 24. Now, Maggie, I've done every combination, right? What would this simplify to, Maggie? We never want two of these right next to each other. So that's going to give us negative 6 what? Plus 24. And then we just combine them, right? Okay. What about these two? What does that simplify to? If they're not the same sign, here's an easy rule, Maggie. If they're not the same sign, it's negative. If they are the same sign, it's positive. So minus a positive is just minus 24. Okay? Now this one here, what do you think it should be? That's negative as well. Minus 6 minus 24. But what about that one? Yeah, I don't need two pluses. Negative 6 plus 24. Okay? If they're the same, it's positive. If they're different, it simplifies to negative. Does that help? Beautiful. Let's look at the next example.